Once again, Donald Trump is in the headlines. But this time, it's not about politics. It's about sex, scandal, and a disturbing birthday gift. According to a bombshell report by the Wall Street Journal, Trump may have given convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein a highly inappropriate gift. A sketch of a naked woman, with the name Donald written below it. In this video, we'll break down what exactly happened, Trump's response, and what this means for the 2024 political landscape. Stay tuned, this story is as bizarre as it is disturbing. The year was 2003. Jeffrey Epstein was turning 50, and the party was as lavish and secretive as you'd expect. According to the Wall Street Journal, Donald Trump gave Epstein a leather-bound sketchbook for his birthday. Inside was a nude drawing of a woman, with the label, "From Donald." But that's not all. The gift also included a handwritten message that said, "May every day be another wonderful secret you and I share." Let that sink in. The Wall Street Journal claims their reporters saw this sketchbook with their own eyes. They even confirmed it with 3 separate sources. Now, Trump's reaction? He denied everything. He said, and I quote, "I never wrote a picture in my life." And he wasn't done there. Trump threatened a $10 billion lawsuit against the Wall Street Journal and media mogul Rupert Murdoch, calling the story fake and defamatory. But here's where things get tricky. Trump says he's never made a drawing in his life. But there's a big problem with that statement. Multiple verified sketches signed by Donald Trump have already been sold at auctions, including drawings of the New York skyline, George Washington Bridge, and more. So the question is, if he's lied about sketching before, could he be lying now? And why would he send something so lewd to a man like Epstein? Is this just tasteless humor between rich men? Or is it something more sinister? This scandal isn't just about a drawing. It's about Trump's proximity to Epstein, a man who ran one of the most horrifying sex trafficking operations in modern history. Although Trump has tried to distance himself from Epstein for years, this newly surfaced gift brings their personal relationship back into the spotlight. Now, Trump is demanding that the Justice Department release grand jury transcripts from Epstein's past cases. Why? Some say he wants to prove he's not named. Others think he's bluffing. The Republican base is split. Some say it's all a media smear campaign. Others, especially younger MAGA voters, are asking uncomfortable questions. So where do you stand? Do you think Trump really gave Epstein a sexually suggestive gift? Or is this just another media attack before election season? Whatever the truth is, one thing's clear, this isn't going away. Backhand index pointing right. Let us know what you think in the comments. Speaking head, was it just a joke, or something darker? And if you want more deep dives into political scandals, cover-ups, and untold stories, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay sharp. See you in the next one.